ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मैत्रेयी ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 619। आत्मा इज अविनाशी, विज्ञान घन। एंड व्हेन याज्ञवल्क्य जी सेड न तत्र प्रत्यय संज्ञा अस्ति, so Maitreyi ji asked, how? You are confusing me. So he said, I am not. So that same idea which he is going to elaborate now in the next one. टीका आत्मनो मंत्र नंबर 14 टीका आत्मनो विज्ञान घनत्वं प्रामाणिकं चेत् तर्हि निषेध वाक्यम अयुक्तम इति शंकते। If Atma is Vijnana Ghana and that is Pramanika, means Abadhita, then Nisheda Vakya is inappropriate. Nisheda Vakyam Ayuktam iti Shankate. Katham tarhi Pretya Sanya Nasti iti Uchyate. Then how do you say Pretya Sanya is not there? Tika अविद्याकृत विशेष विज्ञान अभाव अभिप्रायेण निषेध वाक्योपपत्ति इति उत्तरम आह। अविद्याकृत विशेष विज्ञान अभाव, विशेष विज्ञान इज अविद्याकृत एंड सामान्य विज्ञान इज नॉट अविद्याकृत। सामान्य विज्ञान इज नॉट अविद्याकृत। सामान्य विज्ञान विल बी अहम अस्मि। विशेष विज्ञान विल बी अहम पुरुषोस्मि। So सामान्य विज्ञान is there. विशेष विज्ञान is अविद्याकृत. That अविद्याकृत विशेष विज्ञान अभाव will happen through ब्रह्म ज्ञानम। अविद्याकृत विशेष विज्ञान अभाव अभिप्रायेण निषेध वाक्य उपपत्ति इति उत्तरम आह। शृणु, श्रु, the r should be that, not refa. How it is given in Bhashya, it should be like that. Shrunu, shrunu, suno, listen. See the mantra. Yatrahi, the very prasiddha mantra. Many mantras from this Brahmana are prasiddha. One was Navare sarvasya kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. Then Atmavare drashtavyo drashtavyaha श्रोतव्यो मंतव्यो निधिध्यासितव्यो। आत्मनोवारे दर्शनेन श्रवणेन मत्या विज्ञानेन सर्वं विदितं स्यात्। Right? Like that there was a mantra.
Idam sarvam
viditam स्यात्. Then idam brahma, idam kshatram, idam ime deva, इमे लोका इमानि भूतानि इदम सर्वम यदयम आत्मा. This idam sarvam yadayam atma is also prasiddha. Then these three drishtantas, Dundubi, Shankha, Veena. Then Agni, Huma and Visfulinga. Then Samudra Ekayana, Ekayana drishtanta, that Pravilapana Prakriya. Pravilapana Prakriya comes in many places. Ekayana drishtanta you can keep in mind. And then this na tatra pretya sanya asti. Somebody's thing is making noise. Keep it mute, please. Now this mantra is also prasiddha. Yatra hi dvaitam iva bhavati. Tad itara itaram jigrati. Tad itara itaram pashyati. Tad itara. In the first line there is a mistake. Tadatira is given. Tad itara. Tad itara itaram jigrati. Tad itara itaram pashyati. Tad itara itaragam shrunoti. Tad itara itaram abhivadati. Tad itara itaram manute. Tad itara itaram vijanati. Yatrava asya sarvam atmaiva bhut. Tatkenakam jigret. Tatkenakam pashyet. Tatkenakam shrunuyat. Tatkenakam abhivadet. Tatkenakam vijaniya. Manvita. Tatkenakam vijaniyat. येनेदं सर्वं विजानाति तं केन विजानीयात्. विज्ञातारम अरे केन विजानीयात्. Even this is very prasiddha. Vignataram are kena vijaniyat. Many times this is quoted. Yatra hi dvaitam iva bhavati. There where dvaitam is iva bhavati. Then because of that what happens? Tad itara itaram jigrati. Jigrati, what is the dhatu? Gra dhatu. Gra dhatu will get jigra adesha. How? Pa, gra, dma, stham, na, dan, drish, arti, sarti, shada, sadam, piba, jigra, dhama, tishtha, mana, yacha, pashya, racha, dau, shi, asi. These are the adeshas. So gra will become jigra and jigrati. Itara, itaram jigrati. Once you get the understanding clear, then it is easy. What is itara, itaram jigrati? See, first of all, he says, yatra hi dvaitam iva bhavati. Dvaitam iva bhavati means dvaitam is not there. Dvaitam is iva only. Then what happens? Itara. Itara means itara grata. Itaram greyam. Itarena granena jigrati. Means itara jnata, itaram jneyam, itarena karanena, pramanena jigrati, pashyati, shrunoti, abhivadati, manute. So jigrati, pashyati, shrunoti, jnanendriya karma. Abhivadati, karmendriya. Manute and vijanati, antakarana. Then yatra va asya sarvam atma eva bhut. But that for whom? Yatra means vidya kale. When during the time of wisdom, yasya purushasya sarvam asya means asya yasya purushasya sarvam atma eva bhut. Everything is atma. tat kenakam jigret. Then that Purusha kena karanena kam hreyam niyam jigret, means he will not have triputi. Saha kena kam pashyet, saha kena kam shrunuyat, in this way. So the sense of pride will not remain. It is badhita. What I discussed yesterday, that badhita jnana, because all the three yesterday I mentioned, right? I is negated, aham, the padartha, bhogya vastu, whatever is the bhogya vastu, and the bhoga kriya is badhita. Therefore, I am not bhokta. In this, in Brihadaranyaka only I mentioned, right? So same thing we should understand, we should remember, Dvaitam is iva. Yatra hi Dvaitam iva bhavati. Then Vyavahara is iva. Otherwise, there is no Vyavahara also. Kenakam abhivadet, kenakam manvita, kenakam vijaniyat. Yena idam sarvam vijanati. Yena kena Purushena. Purushena. Atmana Brahmana येन रूपम रसम गंधम शब्दान स्पर्शान मैथुनान एते नैव विजानाति. See, exact things are given here. येन idam sarvam vijanati. Idam sarvam is रूपम रसम गंधम स्पर्शम शब्दान स्पर्शान मैथुनान, everything vijanati. Then what is the second line? Kimatra parishishyate etad vaitat. So, yena idam sarvam vijanati, that means yena is drashta. Idam is drishya. By drashta, drishya becomes known. Who will know the drashta? Tam kena vijaniyat. How can drashta be known? So, it is not prashna, it is akshepa. Vijñātāram are kena vijaniyat. Vijñātāram, what is the pratipadika? Vijñātri. Vijñātāram will be, prathama ekvachan will be Vijñāta. Vijñāta, Vijñātārau, Vijñātārah, Vijñātāram is Dvitiya ekvachan. So how or by what pramana, by what karana you can know Vijñāta? Means Vijñāta will not become Vishaya. That is what is meant. Now you see here it looks like there is an abrupt end of the dialogue, because here iti Brihadaranyaka Upanishad Dvitiya Adhyaya Chaturtham Brahmana. So here Vijaniyat iti. So in the next time when the dialogue comes in the Chaturtha Adhyaya Panchama Brahmana, one more mantra is there, in which Yajnavalkya Vijahara, Yajnavalkya left. Now this Dvaitam Iva Bhavati, we can think a little bit more. Manodrishyamidam Dvaitam. This Dvaitam is Manodrishyam. Manodrishyamidam Dvaitam यत्किंचित सचराचरम मनसो ह्यमनी भावे द्वैतम नैव उपलभ्यते. So for Dvaitam to become Eva only, I have to do Mano Nishedha. Manaso Hyamani Bhave Dvaitam Naiva Upalapyate. Atma Satyanubodhena Na Sankalpayate Yada. These are Mandukya Karika, Tritiya Adhyaya 31-32. 3.31, 3.32. Atma Satyanubodhena Na Sankalpayate Yada. Amanastam Tadayati Grahya Bhave. When Grahya Bhava is there, then there is no Grahana. So like how it is said, who will grasp or who will smell what? Kaha kena kam pashyet. Kaha kena kam vijaniyat. Kaha kena kam shrunuyat. Kaha kena kam jigret. This is possible only when the grahya abhava, drishya abhava happen. Abhava means mithyatva, not asat, mithya. So, in my buddhi, this vichara, if it goes on, and for that, how many drishyas are there? Infinite, ananta vishayas are there. So, how am I going to negate ananta vishayas? Is it like this? Somebody says, let us say, I have person A, I have a problem person C. Okay, you eliminate person A, person B. Suddenly person D has shown up. Now this A has gone, I have problem with B, C, D. B I remove, E has come up. Because somebody or the other will keep coming up. So I have problem here, I have problem here. Like that, there is no end. So if you say, Ghata is there, I will do Ghata Nisheda, Pata is there, I will do Pata Nisheda, another Vishaya comes, I will do that Nisheda. So Mandukya Karikakara says, you do Mano Nisheda. Why? Because Mano Drishyam Idam Dvaitam. Each Dvaita, if you go on taking and go on doing their Nisheda, no matter how many lifetimes you get, it will never happen. Everything is Manodrishyam, you negate your own mind. This is the prakriya. Instead of focusing on idam, you focus on aham. Then everything is negated. So that attaining amani bhava, this is the objective. That you will never be able to say Dvaitam is Eva unless you negate your own mind. Mind is Eva. Then itara itaram pashyati jigrati ityadi will happen. Now see bhashya. Yatra yasmin avidya kalpite कार्य करण संघातोपाधि जनिते विशेषात्मनि किल्य भावे ही यस्माद् द्वैतम इव परमार्थतो अद्वैते ब्रह्मणि द्वैतम इव भिन्नम इव वस्त्वन्तरम आत्मनः उपलक्ष्यते. यत्र यत्र मीन्स यस्मिन् अविद्या कल्पिते. अविद्या कल्पित is कार्यकरण संघात उपाधि जनित. अविद्या कल्पित is कार्यकरण संघात उपाधि जनित विशेषात्मा अहम मनुष्योस्मि पुरुषोस्मि and whatever else विशेषात्मनि खिल्य भावे ही, because of the खिल्य भाव, sense of limitation, परिच्छिन्नत्व ही, यस्माद् द्वैतम इव परमार्थतः इट इज अद्वैत ब्रह्म इन दैट द्वैतम इव भिन्नम इव वस्तुअंतरम आत्मनः उपलक्ष्यते वस्तुअंतर उपलक्ष्यते ठीक है यस्मिन् उक्तलक्षणे ब्रह्मणि खिल्य भावे उक्तलक्षणे खिल्य भावे सति यस्माद् यथोक्ते ब्रह्मणि द्वैतम इव द्वैतम उपलक्ष्यते यथोक्ते ब्रह्मणि द्वैतम इव द्वैतम उपलक्ष्यते तस्मात् तस्मिन् सति इतर इतरम जिग्रति इति संबंधः इन दिस ब्रह्म द्वैत इज ओनली उपलक्षण द्वैतम उपलक्ष्यते द्वैतम इव द्वैतम उपलक्ष्यते तस्मात् then therefore in that tasmin sati itara itaram jigrati this dvaita bhava is there because of the khilya bhava parichhana which is upadhi jana द्वैतम इव इति उक्तम अनुद्य व्याचष्टे व्याचष्टे इज एकवचनम और बहुवचनम online students
ekavachanam
and what is bahuvachanam
chakshate
चक्षते चष्टे चक्षाते चक्षते द्वैतम इव इति उक्तम अनुद्य व्याचष्टे भिन्नम इव वस्तुअंतरम आत्मना उपलक्ष्यते इव शब्दस्य उपमार्थत्वम उपेत्य शंकते now somebody has a doubt what is the doubt when we say iva means upama is there go sadrisho gavayah so when upama is given upaman praman is this go sadrisho gavayah whenever you give upaman praman sadrishyam both things should exist there is something called go which is existing there is something called gavaya which is existing so now here if you say dvaitam iva somewhere dvaitam should be existing then only you can give upama of that is the shanka nanu dvaitena upamiyamanatvat द्वैतस्य पारमार्थिकत्वम इति if द्वैतेन उपमानम is done upamiyamanatvam is through dvaita then dvaita has to exist somewhere द्वैतस्य पारमार्थिकत्वम ठीक है द्वैतेन द्वैतस्य उपमीयमानत्वात् दृष्टान्तस्य दार्ष्टान्तिकस्य च तस्य वस्तुत्वं स्यात् द्वैतेन द्वैतस्य उपमीयमानत्वं so dvaita is upamana dvaita is upameya both are dvaitam drishtantasya darshtantikasya cha tasya vastutvam syat go also has to be existing gavaya also should be existing drishtanta and darshtanta both will have vastutvam वस्तुत्वं स्यात् उपमान उपमेययोः चंद्रमुखयोः वस्तुत्व उपलम्भात् इत्यर्थः if somebody says gives this दृष्टांत चंद्र सदृशम मुखम और चंद्र इव मुखम तो चंद्र is also there mukha is also there chandra is upamana mukha is upameya so chandra has to be existing so you say dvaitam iva वस्तुत्व उपलम्भात् इत्यर्थः द्वैत प्रपंचस्य मिथ्यात्ववादी श्रुति विरोधात् न तस्य सत्यता इति परिहरति. द्वैत प्रपंच is negated by मिथ्यात्ववादी श्रुति. श्रुति which says जगत is मिथ्या. द्वैत प्रपंचस्य मिथ्यात्ववादी श्रुति विरोधात् न तस्य सत्यता इति परिहरति. न तस्य तस्य कस्य द्वैत प्रपंचस्य. द्वैत प्रपंच does not have सत्यता इति परिहरति. न वाचारंभणं विकारो नामधेयम् इति श्रुत्यन्तरात् एकमेवा द्वितीयम् आत्मा एव इदं सर्वम् इति च. So Vacharambhanam Vikaro Namadheyam is Mithyattvavadi Shruti. Because in Tika it is given Mithyattvavadi Shruti Virodhat. Mithyattvavadi Shruti is what? Shruti which says any Vikara is Mithya, is Vacharambhanam. Namadheyam means Nama Matram. In that there is a Vartika, Nama, Rupa,
भाग रूप नामभ्यो
भाग रूप नामभ्यो धेयः. तीसरी वार्तिका भाग रूप नामभ्यो धेयः. Now what is given in Tippani 1 on this page on Vacharambhanam 621 page number. Actually it is given in Vartika on the previous page, but it is presented as a summary by Tippanikara. Vacharambhanam iti nanu dvaita prapanchasya मिथ्यात्वे अभावे आत्मनि एकत्र उपमान उपमेयत्व अयोगात् इव शब्द असिद्धि इति चेत. If Dvaita Prapancha is Mithya, Abhav Rupa, then in Atma, Upaman, Upameyatva, both will not be there. Ayogat, Iva Shabda Asiddhi, Iva Shabda will not be there only. Chetna, Upaman, Upameya Bhavasya Rama Ravanayor Yuddham, Ityada Vekatrapi Drashtatvat. There is a shloka, right? Gaganam Bhasam, something like that. Sagaram Sagaropamam Rama Ravanayor Yuddham Rama Ravanayoriva. So Akasha, what is the Upama for Akasha? It's an Akasha. And Samudra, what is the Upama for Samudra? Samudra. Sagaram Sagaropamam. And Rama Ravanayor Yuddham Rama Ravanayoriva. So you don't need another thing existing. That is why he gives this. Upaman Upameya Bhavasya Rama Ravanayor Yuddham Ityada Ekatrapi Drashtatva. It is same. Upamana and Upameya are one. Natra Upaman Upameya Vivaksha Yuddham Anayoho Anupamam iti asmin arthe tatparyat iti chet. Atra Upaman Upameya Vivaksha na. In this case, why? Because Anayoho Yuddham Anupamam. Rama Ravanayoho Yuddham Anupamam. Therefore, there Upaman Upameya Vivaksha is not there. Purvapakshi is saying. Iti asmin arthe tatparyat. There that is the tatparya. Iti chet. उदाहरणानन्तरं शृणु न आकाशात् अर्थान्तरं दिक् अस्ति. Dick and Akasha, they are actually not separate entities. But Vyavahara is done as separate entities. Na Arthantaram Dig Asti. Mana Bhavat. When you say direction means it is Akasha only. Tathapi Dig Iva Tad Bhati iti Sadrishya Dhihi Akashe Drishyate. In Akasha, Sadrishya Buddhi can be there. तथा आत्मनः सकाशात् अन्य द्वैत अभावे अपि. In the presence of Atma, there is no Dvaita. Abhave api Dvaitam iva sa Atma bhavati iti ukti siddhi. That Atma is Dvaitam iva bhavati. So Anya Dvaita is not there. Atma only appears as Dvaitam. How? Further he gives. Yathacha swapne Mahendra jale cha स्वप्न दृंग मायावी च स्वप्ने स्वप्न दृक् स्वप्न दृष्टा एंड महेंद्र जाले मायावी द मैजिशियन च स्वकृत द्वैतवद भवति. ही बिकम्स द्वैतवान द्वैतवद भवति. तथा आत्मा स्वाविद्योत्थ कर्त्रादि द्वैत रूपो भाति इति कल्पित द्वैतेन उपमा सिद्धिः स्पष्टा एव इति ध्येयम्. कल्पित द्वैतम एव mean this question only those people will have who think upaman upameya, how there has to be something. So other for most people this is too difficult to even grasp. They are busy with so many things. That's why Mandukya, somebody may study, but I feel to understand the heart of Gaudapadacharya ji, you have to think like him. You have to be like him. And I am not interested in even maintaining the body. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Oh, to that extent, Vyavahara continues. Then Mandukya Karikas will start talking to you. Otherwise, this, that, so many things. So Mithyattvavadi Shruti Virodha will happen. That's why there is no Satya Dvaita. Pacharambanam Vikaro Namadheyam iti Shrutyantarat and Ekam eva Dvitiyam Atma eva idam sarvam iti cha. In Bhashya, Tat Tatra Yasmad Dvaitam Iva Tasmad eva itaro asau Paramatmanaha Khilya Bhuta Atma Paramarthas Chandraderiva Udaka Chandradi Pratibimba Itaro Grata Itarena Granena Itaram Gratavyam Jigrati. Tattatra in Tika. Tatra means Tasmin Khilya Bhave Sati iti avat. When that Khilya Bhava is present, Avidya Kale, then Yasmat Dvaitam Iva Tasmat eva itaro asau Paramatma Khilya Bhuta Atma itaro asau. Itara means asau. Paramatmanaha Khilya Bhuta Atma Jivatma. Paramarthas Chandradehe Iva Udaka Chandradi Pratibimba. Atma Aparamartha. Atma Aparam Jiva. Jivatma. Paramatmanaha Khilya Bhuta Atma. Means the Parichinna Bhavapanna Paramatma, which is Aparamartha, चंद्रादेः इव उदक चंद्रादि प्रतिबिंब. चंद्रादेः इव चंद्र प्रतिबिंब is in the udaka. Like that, Paramatma's aparamartha rupa is in Upadi. Chandradi pratibimba. Itaro grata, itarena granena, itaram gratavyam jigrati. Itaro grata, this jiva. Itarena granena, by, so otherness is in all. How itaro grata? Itar means from Paramatma it is itara, because drashta will see this grata, Chaitanya will know this Jnata, Jnaya, Jnana. Or Granendriya. Indriya is Pramanam. Jigrati. Itara itaram iti karaka pradarshanartham. Itara they are karaka. Karta karaka, karma karaka, karana karaka. All three are given. The third one is not given in the mantra. But Bhashyakar says Granena. So karana karaka is given because it is there in the second part of the mantra. Karaka pradarshanartham jigrati iti kriya phalayoho abhidhanam. Kriya and phala, they are indicated. Tika. Tatra tasmin khilya bhave sati. Swapnadi dvaitamiva. In that 6 number tippani should be on Adi, not Swapna. Swapna Adi dvaitamiva. Jagarite api dvaitam yasmad alaksyate. Swapnadi dvaitamiva jagarite api dvaitam alaksyate. 6 number tippani. Adindra Vagura. Adipadena Indra Vagura. Indra Vagura means Indrajala. He could have just written Indrajala, but he wrote Indra Vagura. So like Swapna and Indrajala, Jagrit Dvaita is also like that. Yasmad Alaksyate Tasmat Paramatmanaha Sakashat Itaro Asau Atma Khilya Bhuto Aparamartha san itaram jigrati. This Jivatma Karta Bhokta itaram jigrati, itaram shrunoti, itaram pashyati, itaram vijanati iti yojana. Parasmat itarasmin atmani aparamarthe khilya bhute drashtantam. From Paramatma it has become aparamartha Jivatma. So Parasmat itarasmin atmani aparamarthe khilya bhute drashtanta is from Chandra. Chandra pratibimba has come like that. Itara shabdam anudya tasya arthamaha. So itara shabda artha is itaro grata, itarena granena, itaram grata. Itara, you go on saying itara means what? So one itara means grata, another itara means grana, another itara means gratavya. Further in Tika, avidyadashayam sarvani api karakani santi kartru karma nirdeshasya sarvakaraka upalakshanatvat iti aha. In avidyadasha, all karakas are there. Kartru karaka, karma karaka, etc. They all are called ether only. Kriya phalayoho eka shabdatve drashtantam vivranoti. So now kriya phalayoho eka shabdatva. Kriya and phala both are indicated by one shabda. In that drashtantam vivranoti, vivranoti. Yatha chinatti iti. Yatha udyamya nipatanam छेद्यस्य च द्वैधी भाव उभयं छिनत्ति इति एकेनैव शब्देन अभिधीयते। छिनत्ति इति what is that? उद्यम्य निपातनम, lift drop like that. छेद्यस्य च द्वैधी भाव, and छेद्य वस्तु काष्ठ becomes split, द्वैधी भाव छिनत्ति, उभयं छिनत्ति इति एकेनैव शब्देन अभिधीयते। द्वैधी भाव and छिनत्ति both are indicated by this only. In this ajnana अवस्था एकेनैव शब्देन अभिधीयते क्रियायाः फलवसानत्वात्, because that kriya उद्यमन निपातन is culmination is in, or kriya is छिनत्ति kriya, its culmination is in द्वैधी भाव. You lift it and you put it, lift it and you put it, but if you don't hit and it doesn't split, so until the splitting of the wood doesn't happen, kriya is not over. Kriya is over when Dvaiti Bhava happens. Like if you are cooking Odanam Pachati, so you turn on the heat, little bit heat and close it. Cooking is over. Pachana Kriya is over only when the phala is seen in that rice. So Kriya and phala, Kriya phalayoho abhidhanam. That is what is given here as Kriyayaha phalavasanatvat. Kriya vyatirekena cha tat phalasya anupalambhat. Kriya is phalavasana, and without Kriya, phala is not available. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.